My most impactful experience has been by far my time as a vet assistant. As an undergrad, not only was I restraining animals and performing TPR, but as I got more experience, I was able to administer vaccines and draw blood. I just learned so much from this amazing hands-on opportunity. And additionally, I met probably the most amazing people that taught me even more about veterinary medicine. If there was one experience that solidified my need to be a veterinarian, it was definitely this one. I got this opportunity through cold emailing, which is how I've gotten most of my opportunities. I open my emails with who I am and why I'm emailing. And while detail is important, make sure to keep it as short and simple as possible so they're more likely to read it. And some tips that I love using is make sure you attach your resume, and if they don't reply, it doesn't hurt to follow up. I am more committed to veterinary medicine than ever. This was the first job where I truly felt like I was fulfilling my purpose in life, and I don't want to lose that. This is only the beginning of my pre-vet journey, and I'm excited to see what my future holds.
The biggest skill that has surprised me is learning the ability and for self-reflection. Oftentimes as students, especially as pre-vet students, and we get a lower grade than we anticipate, and then we treat it as it's the end of the world. So being able to use those moments and learn and have those as a learning moment and reflect on where I went wrong and how I can improve next time has been super beneficial in my pre-vet journey. It allows me to be easier on myself as well as to be adaptable and change my study methods as needed. During my junior year, I was taking a lot more rigorous courses and working in the start of the pandemic. That led to major burnout. I left college for a few years thinking that I wanted to try something else, but my passion was never as strong as it was with veterinary medicine. I changed my work environment and found a mentor who was passionate for teaching, Dr. Angelica Deanda, who took me under her wing and taught me the whys behind the things I was learning. This positive environment and having a strong mentor who is passionate about teaching led me back to pursuing my undergraduate degree with the intention of going into vet school. I cannot stress it enough to pre-vet students that if you're not happy in the environment that you are in, how important it is to switch it up and find a place that suits your needs and helps and supports your goals. One of the things that helps me when things get challenging is remembering the big picture. Looking back and remembering why I started this journey in the first place, one of my biggest advice for pre-vet students is just remembering that the time is going to pass regardless, and it's just about where you want to be when that time ends.